Hi y'all, it's me. I just wanted to show this project. I'm at our event. We haven't started yet. It starts today. But I wanted to show you this purse that I made. It is so cute, y'all. It is a tutorial from CALCOT on YouTube. I'll put that link down below for you. But she made one and I just had to, do one myself. I'm going to show you here. The sides open like this. So you have plenty of room. I mean, this is a big purse. It's not small, so it fits plenty of stuff there. So you have one of these on either side that are held closed by Velcro. And then over here, and I made this when our power went out, so I wanted to sew everything and I couldn't because there was no power. So anyway, this piece lifts up and then you have that interior pocket there. And she says this fits a bottle of wine in there, so you could actually not put the flap on and gift a bottle of wine in a bag like this. And this one opens, and then I have a pocket down here that's, let's see, right there. And then I put a swan there on the front. And then I also did the back. She did not do her back, but I did right there. I put another pocket with a swan and then bling around the edges. This is the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection. But anyhow, I just wanted to share that really quick because I didn't get to film it at home. And we're going to have a great day. So until next time, y'all, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.